Hi everyone, this is Sudeshna and today I'll be explaining about the Tatva Chintan Pharma IPO which has come into the market, and I'll be explaining about its pros and cons, the company growth, and whether you should go for the IPO or not. So starting with a little bit about the company was incorporated in 1996, and it is a chemical manufacturing company that manufactures structure directing agents, phase transfer catalysts, pharmaceutical and agrochemical intermediates, and other specialty chemicals. It is among the largest manufacturer of structure directing agents for zeolites in India. The company also serves customers across several industries like automotive, petroleum, agrochemicals, dyes and pigments, paints and coatings, pharmaceutical, personal care, and others. Its products are not only sold in India but also exported to 25 plus countries all over the world, such as the USA, Germany, South Africa, China, and the UK. And in the financial year 2020, the total export contributed to 76% of total revenue from operations. Also, currently, it has a total of two manufacturing facilities in Gujarat, and both are near the port, which gives them access to very flexible port facilities. Talking about the industry growth before we move forward, the pharmaceutical industry in general. So India is the largest provider of generic drugs globally. Indian pharmaceutical sector supplies over 50% of global demand for various vaccines, 40% of generic demand in the US, and 25% of all medicine in the UK. Globally, India ranks third in terms of pharmaceutical production by volume and 14th by value. The domestic pharmaceutical industry includes a network of 3,000 drug companies and 10,500 manufacturing units. India enjoys an important position in the global pharmaceutical sector, and the country also has a large pool of scientists and engineers with the potential to steer the industry ahead to greater heights. Uh, After this, coming to the comparative strengths of the company. So it is a leading manufacturer of structure directing agents and phase transfer catalysts, as I mentioned before. It has a very diversified product portfolio. The global market presents with customer base across various industries, strategically located a manufacturing facility in Gujarat with close proximity to the Hazira port, experienced promoters and managers team, and strong financial performance track record. Moving to the company financials, so as we can see, the company's total assets has been consistently rising with near to 1,000 assets in the year 2019 and near to 2,500 assets in the year 2020, and now in the year 2021 it has near to 3,000 assets. The total revenue has also been increasing, and the profit after tax, as we can see currently, it is at 500 million, and it has been subsequently rising. Also, the object of the issue is to fund capital expenditures requirements for expansion, funding capital expenditures requirements to upgrade the research and development facilities in Vadodara, and to meet general corporate purposes. The IPO details. The IPO will be opening on the 16th of July and closing on the 20th of July. The issue type is book build issue. and the IPO price is 1,073 to 1,083 per equity share. The market lot is one lot is equal to 13 shares. That is the minimum you can take, and the minimum order quantity is 13 shares. It has been listed both at the BSE and the NSE, and the offer for say so the total is aggregating up to 500 crores, from which the fresh issue will be 225 crore and the offer for sale will be 275 crore. The IPO lot size, as I mentioned earlier, is one lot will be equal to 13 shares, and that will be equal to 14,079 rupees. And the maximum you can take is up to 14 shares. Coming to the tentative schedule, as I mentioned earlier, the IPO will be opening on the 16th of July and closing on the 20th of July, and the allotment will be starting on the 26th of July. The ones who didn't receive the allotments will be receiving refunds starting from the 27th of July, and those who have received the allotment will be their demat accounts will be credited with the shares starting from the 28th of July, and finally the IPO will be listed on July 29th. So coming to the valuation and financial figures of the company, so the EPS is equal to 26, the book value is equal to rupees 82, the return on net worth is equal to 31%, the PE ratio is equal to 40, and the grey market premium is equal to 45%, which in today's date is a very good number, the grey market premium. And comparing the PE ratios with the competitors that this company has, the competitor is in a highly advantageous position, considering the fact that companies like RP, Navin, Fluorine, Alkyl Amines, Vinati, and so on don't have they have a higher PE ratio. So with this, we come to the end of today's slideshow. And if you take my opinion, considering the fact that the grey market premium of this company is 45%, and if the market doesn't get affected by anything badly, there's a high chance that you'll profit uh, by purchasing the IPOs of the company. And there is a 40% listing expectation, and this expectation is not, it can be affected by anything which affects the market by the listing till the listing date. So it's always a risk, and if you are willing to take the risk, then you should surely go for it because it is a good opportunity.